everyone, and welcome back to another Steven Draws video. Today I'll be trying out the art of pyography, and for those who don't know what that is, it's also known as wood burning, and it's a really hot pencil that burns wood into cool designs. And I thought it'd be kind of cool if I tried it out for the video, so I hope you enjoy. And that being said, let's get on with the video. And what I can see, or what appears to be the situation, is someone actually torched it or lit it on fire. As you can see, there's bubbling in the paint, burn marks and scorch marks across the guitar, and they also snapped the neck, so it's never going to be able to be played again. That being said though, I think it'd be really almost poetic and kind of cool to use fire to fix the burn. So a technique you actually have to use during wood burning, unless you want it to turn out in a different way, or how I do it anyway, is you have to actually start with an outline. So I outlined all the major parts where there would be shadows or just a major outline on the bird, and I continue to add detail from there. Now when I started on the baby bear, I didn't notice this, and I promise I fix it further into the video, but the bear actually looks kind of like Chewy. But that's alright, because Chewy's really cute.